Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to do this is Sunday, by the way. So we are expecting tomorrow, Monday, another fresh week. So I want to do a forecast on Euro USD, US GBP USD, and some pairs. So using my strategy, and I'm going to do a recap on why I took the trade I took the last time. And I told you in the video I released earlier that I was stopped due to spread, and you saw the trade. So let me show you what I saw before taking the trade and what I'm expecting for the coming week. So if this is the first time you're coming to this channel, do well to subscribe because you're going to learn more. So without wasting more time, let's go.
Okay guys, so welcome back again. So this is my chart on Euro USD. So let me show you why I took the trade. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. You can see from the daily time frame, this is the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, what did you observe? You observe that price is in this triangle here that I drew from the weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame, what did we see here? We saw price making after this impulse move and break of structure here, price was retracing back. So some people will see this and look at it as an uptrend, but we know that the overall trend is coming down in a collective way. So after this break, then we expect price to retrace. After price retraced to this level, over 61.71 level, fib level, what happened? We drew our counter trend line. This is the counter trend line. After price came here, price created a support here, pushed up, came here and broke the support, also broke this counter trend line and broke this support again. So immediately I saw this break, what did I do? This is what I was waiting for. So immediately I saw this break here, I waited for confirmation. Now what happened here, you can see that after this break here, this candle broke and closed on the daily time frame. So all I did was to wait for a candle to show me that price is still going down, and this price candle came, it took the high of the previous candle here and it started coming down, and it created a strong bearish candle on the daily time frame. So seeing this strong bearish candle and seeing this wick, I know that price is coming to fill this wick, and that was my last 2 week trade. So if you notice, my last 2 week trade was a win, but I did not hold it, and I'm anticipating a push to the downside, but because it's a small account and I just have to compound it first, so I just closed early. So now, knowing the trend is now bearish, what did I do? I went to the 4 hour time frame. Now in the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, this is where I take the trade. Here you can see after this close, what did we see here? What did we see here? You can see that after price came here, broke here and closed, the next day what did I do? I was waiting for the same pattern. Price came here, the previous 4H candle created a lower low, swept the high of the previous 4H candle, and after breaking the structure it retraced and started breaking down. This is where I entered and I held the trade towards this level. That is when I went out. I could have made more money last 2 weeks, but I went out. So that was the trade for last 2 weeks. So now for last week, the same thing happened here. It was the same pattern here again. You can see price came here again, created a lower low, lower high, broke. That was where I entered, and my stop loss was so tight and spread took me out in the broker I was using, and that was why we lost this move. And the same thing, price kept going down. So what are we expecting? So that is the trade on Euro USD. Now what are we expecting now for next week? What are we expecting now for next week? So let's see. We have to go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we quite know that we are expecting price. We are expecting price to come here. After this price to come to this line here, this trend line here. So you can see we want price to come down to this level before price can continue going up or break the level down. So we are still expecting sell on Euro USD. Nothing should make you buy on this trade. There is no buying here, except if you are trading the 1 minute time frame, then you can just look for reversals. But this is the overall trend. Price is selling. So now what do we want? Price has already created a lower low. We want price to come and create a lower high. Then from that lower high to this trend line here, then we continue dropping here. So that's what we want to see. We want to see price come here, create a lower high, then we will look to sell down here. So but if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see how the 4-hour time frame is looking. Let's see how the 4-hour time frame is. So you can see this is a 4-hour time frame. Price has created lower low, and we are expecting lower high to continue dropping. That is on the 4-hour. You can continue selling on the 4-hour. From Monday, we are expecting further drop. But if price break this high, it does not mean that price is going to sell. If price break this high, we are not going to sell. We are going to wait for price to also create another pattern again, head and shoulder pattern, then we sell. So that is it for Euro USD. So now let's go to another pair, GBP USD. So you can see on GBP USD the same thing on GBP USD.